Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I have 2018 Opel Astra K Sports Tourer, some of you may know already. It's very basic what comes to extra accessories. For example, rear seats. There is no plugs that you can charge something. There is no USBs, there is no cigarette lighter plug. I ordered from Amazon this. This is with 3 USB plugs, 2 USB-C plugs and 1 vintage USB. It should be pretty easy to install. It needs only 12 volts plus and minus. It also have this kind of door. Hopefully I don't have to take the whole center console away because that would be a big job. So let's go outside and see. First I thought that I can take this small panel out, but it doesn't work. This is one piece. You can't remove this, so I have to remove this rear panel. There's 6 clips which hold this, and now I can drill a hole here. This is quite deep, so it has to be pretty low. Basically between these 2 clips. Nice. I think it looks pretty good. Next I have to run cable for it. Yeah, it's been now over 2 weeks since I started this project. Now next step is that I have to run some cables to it, and power I have to take from the fuse box. I can't take power anymore from this cigarette lighter because my dash cam will take the power from this fuse. So I have to pick something else, and again something that I don't really need so much. Heckscheibenwischer, that's the window wiper for the rear window, and I never really use that. I hate this thing. I should maybe delete this wiper anyway. So that's number 31. I will take this power from this fuse. If this fuse will blow up for some reason, it doesn't really matter so much. I think we will have a problem. I can't use it because it's now behind this. I could maybe take still the power from the same fuse, which is going to the cigarette lighter and my dash cam. I made already some cables. That's for the positive cable from the fuse box, and ground cable. The ground I can take from here. Okay, let's take this out and dry. Okay, it is kind of big enough. So I will take it from the same cigarette lighter fuse. I will just cut this. Here I can actually take this away, and I will solder this together. This might be a little bit overkill, but I want to protect these cables somehow, so I will cover these with some kind of fabric tape. It feels like a kind of an OEM style tape all the way. I should now have enough this cable. I'm not going to remove this middle console because that would be crazy job to do. So I will just run it here. That's also one reason why I wanted to protect this cable. A little bit hard to film this thing, but these places are so tight here. Now it's in this point. I can remove this rear panel. And hopefully I can get this cable. There's some light. I just turned the key on the first position. There's some blue light, which is always nice. I have now only the normal USB and lightning cable for my iPhone. And let's see what's happening. It's charging. It is charging. Now we have charging port for the rear seats. That's it, guys. It took me only 3 weeks to install this, but now I have one more extra feature to my car. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.